Can I really turn my tablet into a fully functional portable server? Let us find out how to unlock your device's hidden potential. Tablets are usually seen as consumption devices for streaming or browsing, but they can be surprisingly powerful tools for tech enthusiasts on the go. Laptops are often bulky and power-hungry. A tablet offers a compact, low-power alternative that is perfect for hosting small projects or specific applications. The secret lies in software like Termux, which provides a Linux terminal environment, allowing you to run server software directly on your mobile hardware. First, install Termux and set up SSH for remote access. This simple configuration transforms your tablet into a command line powerhouse ready for server tasks. Now, watch as I launch a local web server. I can access these files from another device, proving that your tablet is a capable, portable host. Whether you are a developer or a tinkerer, this setup is incredibly versatile. Try it out, share your ideas below, and subscribe for more tech hacks.